Okay, so this is the fuel pump. There's that black cover right there that has these four things sticking out that you gotta align. So the fuel, this tank right now that I'm looking at, so then there's four wires, the black, white, red, and the blue. And then you have, with the blue cap on there, is the return line, and then the yellow cap's the send line. And then there's an arrow on there too. So then, yeah, as you can see, this right here is the return. This is the send. And these can be fixed, and then that's the strainer on the bottom there, that white thing. And then the fuel level step thing that goes into that. So when you put it in, just don't hit that filter or step lever or any of the wires. Alright. So this is like the driver's side, the side of my vehicle right here. And then the pump, the hoses face this way. What I did was, to get it out, I I unscrewed these 6 bolts first, and then I dropped the tank and moved the tank, and then I got to these lines. So I have the bolts here, and I got a new pump and a gas tank, and they both came with a gasket. And I forget which one, only one of them came with the bolts though. So, and then one of the vapor things I'm waiting for, and then there's going to be a hose that goes from there to the edge of my truck for the vapor lines. And I'm thinking I'm going to put these hoses on the vehicle first. I was trying to figure out which one would be easier, but I think once I got it on there, I can slide this on. I'll be able to slide these on. So this is then the fuel where, the inlet that connects to the neck. So there will be the neck that both these, and then the return vapor thing for the fuel fill. So yeah, I'm gonna attach these first, and then I think maybe use some oil to slide these on. And then there's another vapor thing back there, and the sensors, you got a little bit more slack than the hoses, so I'm thinking that should just pop right in. And then this, you got some slack. It'll kind of, the plug up here, and that should go right in. And then the fuel lines should pop on. So waiting on these parts here. Keep it clean in there. But yeah, so I'm gonna screw these bolts down here. I think it only lines up pretty much one way, but if you didn't mark it before, just they go that way, and I think the bolts only line up one way, and yeah. So if that helped you.